Natural disasters have been an enduring part of Earth's history, shaping the landscape and affecting the lives of countless individuals and communities. In this video, we have a special edition for you, featuring the top most horrific disasters caught on camera in 2023. Hold on tight, because this time it's interactive. So brace yourselves for some shocking and unforgettable moments. As you watch the screen, suddenly a powerful tornado begins to take shape. What do you do? Tell us in the comment section below. During the afternoon and evening hours of March 5th, a severe early spring tornado outbreak occurred in the Midwest, initially in the state of Iowa, before changing to a devastating wind event over northern Illinois and Indiana. A series of tornadoes, some reaching EF5 intensity, unleashed havoc across several states, obliterating everything in their path.
There it is, right there.
A deadly tsunami hits coastal region on May 19th. May 19, 2023. On Friday, roughly 3 hours after a 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck the region, the United States Tsunami Warning Center lifted an advisory for the South Pacific. A colossal tsunami triggered by that earthquake crashed onto the shores, resulting in catastrophic loss of life and extensive damage. Explosions rock chemical plant on September 8th. Florida, United States, September 8th. Several explosions occurred Tuesday morning at a chemical factory in a Palm Bay, Florida industrial region, resulting in fires and smoke visible from miles away, sending shockwaves for miles and causing a devastating inferno. Ever been to a forest? What if suddenly a fire breaks through? Even the thoughts are terrifying, right? Next, we'll witness the fury of a raging wildfire. These infernos can consume everything in their path, leaving devastation in their wake. Let's watch this heart-stopping video captured by a brave individual. On August 31st, forest fire engulfs a national park. From California to Siberia and Indonesia, woods have been engulfed in flames in response to previous heat waves brought on by climate change. A ferocious forest fire engulfed vast stretches of a beloved national park, consuming everything in its wake and leaving a haunting aftermath. Deadly airplane crash on September 9th. An airliner tragically crashed shortly after takeoff, leaving no survivors and a devastating impact on the aviation community. Nearly 3,000 people perished when the hijacked aircraft slammed into the Pentagon outside of Washington, D.C. and United Airlines Flight 93 outside of Shanksville, Pennsylvania. Major flooding submerges coastal city on October 17th. Record-breaking rainfall led to severe flooding, inundating an entire coastal city and displacing thousands of residents, while further flooding was predicted for the weekend. As you watch this footage, put yourself in the shoes of those affected. What emotions do you think they experienced during this terrifying ordeal? Devastating earthquake strikes on January 15th. A strong explosive eruption with a magnitude of 7.8 rattled the city from the underwater volcano Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha Apai lofted volcanic ash and gas high into the stratosphere, causing atmospheric shockwaves and tsunami waves to reverberate around the planet, leaving behind a trail of destruction and widespread panic. Bridge collapsed during rush hour on December 6th. A busy bridge unexpectedly collapsed during rush hour. A group of singers who were performing to honor a Duke-generated vibrations that led to the collapse of this chain-stayed bridge. More than 50 individuals died from freezing or drowning. Deadly volcanic eruption on December 31st. The Kaliua volcano on Hawaii's Big Island experienced its first eruption in more than 2 years. A pool of water was boiled away when lava erupts through a fissure in Halemaumau crater's northwest wall and flowed into the deepest section of the crater, spewing ash and lava, leading to loss of life and a profound impact on the surrounding area. The harrowing footage we're about to show you serves as a stark reminder of the immense destruction these geological events can cause. Mega earthquake devastates Indonesia on January 15, 2021. January 15th, at least 46 people were killed, homes were destroyed, and a hospital was completely destroyed when an earthquake of magnitude 6.2 rocked the western shore of Sulawesi Island in Indonesia early on Friday. Massive tornado tears through Arkansas into Kentucky, December 10th. From Arkansas into Kentucky, the storm on December 10th produced tornadoes that left a 260-mile-long path of devastation through farmland and small villages. Volcanic eruption in the capital of Tongan on January 14th. The volcano erupted 7 times more violently at 4:20 a.m. local time than it did in December, sending ash, steam, and gas 12.4 kilometers into the air. It caused a tsunami wave that was recorded at foot height in the capital of Tongan. Storm Alex, deadly flash floods on February 28th. In a hilly border region close to Nice, Storm Alex ripped away roads and wrecked scores of homes. Torrential rains triggered flash floods in a mountainous region, leading to a disastrous situation as the reckless waters swept everything in their path. Industrial plant explosion shakes city on March 7, 2023. March 7, 2023, a chemical plant in St. Bernard was devastated Monday night by an explosion, and the accompanying fire engulfing the surrounding area in flames and causing widespread panic among residents. Now, let's take a look at an incredible video capturing the fury of a hurricane as it makes landfall. Hurricane ravages coastal communities on March 25th. A powerful hurricane made landfall, unleashing destructive winds and heavy rain, resulting in severe flooding and leaving the communities in ruins. With gusts of 150 miles an hour, the hurricane struck the shore of Louisiana. After making landfall, Laura fell to a Category 2 storm, although it still had sustained winds of more than 100 miles an hour. Deadly wildfire consumes forested area on April 5th. A massive wildfire rapidly spread through a forested area, devouring everything in its path and creating a nightmarish scene of destruction. It's truly astonishing how these brave individuals risk their lives to protect others and combat the fires. Building collapse traps dozens on April 18th. The largest metropolis in Nigeria had the collapse of a 21-story residential complex under construction. A high-rise building unexpectedly collapsed, trapping numerous individuals inside and prompting a frantic rescue operation. Massive dust storm blinds city on May 2nd. A colossal dust storm swept through a city, shrouding it in darkness and significantly impairing visibility, leading to chaos and accidents. The crashes were brought on by excessive winds, blowing dirt from farm fields across the highway, leading to zero visibility. These massive storms can bring devastation in their wake. Last but not the least, a bridge collapse plunges vehicles into river on May 15th. A major bridge suddenly collapsed, sending vehicles plummeting into the river below, causing multiple casualties and a major transportation disruption. The bridge's 6 arches fell apart in 2, seemingly without notice, and in a matter of seconds. In the province of Guangdong, the bridge crosses the Dongjiang River.